Yesterday, Google announced that its quick share feature now allows you to send files between Android smartphones and iPhones. This is a feature that we have been waiting for a long time because it bridges the gap between these two platforms. Now, I'm going to answer a few questions. Do you need to install anything on your iPhone or your Android phone for this to start working? No, you do not need to install anything. Take note though that for your Android phone, an update to your phone's software has to be done in order for this feature to work. As at the time of announcement yesterday, Google said that only Pixel 10 phones now had this feature and that it will roll out to other Android phones over time. So expect Pixel 9 series, Pixel 8 series, Samsung's Galaxy phones, Nothing phone, Tecno, Infinix, Itel, Motorola, and all the others to eventually get that update that will allow them share files directly with an iPhone. How does it work? Is there something new you have to learn? Absolutely not. There is nothing new to learn. This feature works the same way that Quick Share has been working on Android before and works the same way AirDrop has been working on iPhone before. The same way you've been sending files from one iPhone to the other using AirDrop. It's exactly how you need to do it to send files to Android. Open the file you want to send. Tap down here, send, and pick AirDrop. And available devices will be listed here, including any Android phones that are present in that vicinity that have the new update. So let's assume that this Samsung A26 already is able to do that. You will see it listed here. Just tap on it. It will send, and then you have to accept here, and it's saved to your device. How about on Android? If you've used Quick Share on Android before, that's exactly how it works to send files to an iPhone. You open the file you want to send, and then you tap the share icon and pick Quick Share. And then it will list available devices here, including your iPhone. Tap on the iPhone, it's sent to the phone, accept it, it's saved to your iPhone. It's as simple as that. If you've used AirDrop on your iPhone before, that's exactly how to use it to share files with Android. If you've used Quick Share on Android before, that's exactly how to use it to share file to an iPhone. Nothing new, no new learning curve, no new tutorials, no new gimmicks, just the same processes that you have been used to on either of your platforms. A reminder, Google said that only the Pixel 10 series have that feature now, but it's going to be rolled out to other Android phones over time. I expect that Samsung's phones will be some of the first to get that new feature because Samsung was involved in the development of Quick Share, if you know that history. And then they and Google merged forces so that it's one unified platform. You should get a notification when it gets to your device, and then you just start using it. You have nothing to set up, nothing to worry about, nothing to tinker with. This is great. Being able to share files across Android and iPhones, heavenly. I'll see you in my next video.